Hi everyone, welcome back to Hannah's Kitchen Corner. In this video, I'm going to share Peri Peri Chicken Skewers. These are spicy, tangy and super tender, and it's quick and easy to prepare. Marinate the chicken pieces in peri peri sauce, skewer it up, and you can just bake or grill it. This peri peri chicken is finger looking good. You must try this at home. You can make this in the stovetop grill, oven or air fryer. For this recipe I am using 1 pound of boneless chicken. You can cut this into bite-sized pieces. For peri peri sauce, we need 1 small onion, 2 garlic cloves, 3 green chilies or you can adjust, and 1 small red pepper. And I am adding 1 teaspoon of tomato paste, half cup of oil, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon vinegar, 1 teaspoon hot sauce, 1 teaspoon paprika powder or you can adjust the taste, half teaspoon of red chili flakes, half teaspoon black pepper powder, salt to your taste, 1 teaspoon parsley leaves, 1 teaspoon oregano, half teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder. Blend all these things and make a smooth paste. Before marination, save 2 to 3 tablespoons of this peri peri sauce. And you can add 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise and you can adjust the taste. Mix it well and keep it aside as a dipping sauce. Transfer the sauce to a mixing bowl. And you can add this small pieces of chicken chunks and mix it well until everything combined together. You can just marinate this for 1 hour or overnight in the refrigerator for better result. After marination, you can just remove from the refrigerator. Just have to mix the chicken well before skewer it up. And I'm using a tray here, and you just have to grease the tray with a little oil. Soak the bamboo skewers at least 30 to 60 minutes in the water in order to avoid burns. Place the chickens in the skewers one by one, and you can make all the skewers ready for baking. Here I am going to bake the chicken. I am going to put it in the oven for 400 Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes. And you have to just halfway flip the chicken, and you can drizzle or spray little oil. Once it's done, remove from the oven and you can transfer to a serving platter, and you can enjoy with the dipping sauce. Peri Peri Chicken Skewers served it along with couscous. It was delicious. You must try this at home. I will list the recipe in the description box. Please let me know your feedback. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'll see you soon back with another exciting video. Bye bye. Take care.